In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for your construction business. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to this project management tool, this guide will help streamline your processes and make your team's work more efficient. Let's start by heading over to Monday.com. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage with options to explore their offerings or jump straight into logging in. Click on the Login button, which you'll find prominently displayed at the top of the page. You'll be directed to a login interface with several options. Choose Google to conveniently sign in using your Google account. This method is often preferable as it saves time and keeps your login information secure. Select the Google account you wish to use, and with a few clicks, you're signed in and ready to explore your custom dashboard. Now, on the left panel, you'll notice a prominent plus icon. Click on it. This icon is your gateway to creating new boards and adding functionalities within Monday.com. Once the menu pops up, look for the Template Center and give it a click. Templates serve as an excellent framework for organizing your work efficiently. Think of them as blueprints for your various projects. In the Template Center interface, a search bar will allow you to find templates tailored to your specific needs. Go ahead and type in construction. This search will filter the available templates to those that are most relevant to managing construction projects, offering pre-configured setups catered to this industry. Once you've performed the search, take a look at the list and identify construction management. This template is specifically designed to manage and streamline the various facets of construction projects, from project timelines to resource handling. Click on Construction Management to delve deeper into its offerings. Now that you've opened the Construction Management template, you will see a Use Template button. Click this, and the template will be loaded into your workspace. This template is customized with components that are critical to construction management, such as task lists, scheduling aids, and communication trackers, allowing your team to hit the ground running. As you utilize this template, you can tailor it further to match the unique demands of your projects. Adjust columns, set alerts, and assign tasks according to your team's workflow. With Monday.com, all team members stay updated in real time, enhancing collaboration and communication. And there you have it, a quick guide on harnessing the power of Monday.com for your construction business. Now you can manage projects more effectively, ensuring everything is on track and completed on time. Get started today and see the difference in your project management process.